welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. This is just a quick video. I just want to apologise because the upload rate lately on the channel has not been as intense as it has been in the past, and I just want to explain why and what's going on. As you can probably imagine, since Margaret's accident in January, life's changed quite a bit. With Margaret not driving at the moment since the injury, because Margaret's still on crutches, we're still waiting for treatment to start on her injured knee. Now we've spoken to numerous experts, seen orthopaedics, been through the physiotherapy route, and we're getting the same advice. Margaret needs an MRI, further investigation on the knee. So I'm spending a lot of time caring for Margaret. With her not driving, I'm the sole driver now in the household, so now she's gone back to work, albeit only part-time, and she works for the NHS, and they've given her reduced hours for now. So I'm dropping her off at 10 o'clock, picking her up at 2:30, and then in them couple of hours I'm trying to do my things and also work. And then once I've picked her up and taken her home, spent some time with her, again I'm off back to work 4:30 to work the evenings, where I'm normally finished by about 11 o'clock, where I'm back home then to help her and get things sorted in the evening, get whatever she wants doing done before she takes herself off to bed. So yeah, basically life has taken over, and I'm putting all my time into caring for Margaret, because Margaret at the end of the day is more important than the YouTube channel. And I know you're going to understand where I'm coming from, but I haven't forgotten about you, and videos will continue to come out, but just not as intensely as they were. That's all I need to say on the matter, really. There is another video coming up after this, and it's about the experiences we're having with the solicitors that we're dealing with after Margaret's accident, and that's a whole different video. I won't go into it in this one. You need to watch that one. But what I will ask you to do when you watch the other video, will you please share the video on any social media platform you possibly can, because I need to get the word out about this group of solicitors. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please consider liking, and please consider subscribing to the channel, because I promise you there is more content to follow as I get the time to film it, edit it and upload it. Thank you very much for all the kind messages of support, and I do read every message. I don't always get to reply to them, but I do read every single one. Thank you for watching.